Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete process of installing Zorin operating system in your PC. Zorin OS is a lightweight, fast, and secure Linux-based operating system that also respects your privacy, from downloading Zorin OS to creating a bootable USB drive and installing it on your PC or laptop. And by the end of this video, you'll have Zorin OS fully installed and running on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type Zorin OS in the search and press enter. Go to the official Zorin official website, zorin.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the download button at top right corner. Zorin OS offers both paid and free versions. The paid version, Zorin OS 18 Pro, includes premium desktop layouts, professional software, and advanced tools. However, if you just need it for everyday use, scroll down a bit and look for the Zorin OS Core Edition. This one is completely free to download. Click on the download button under Core Edition. If a newsletter pop-up appears, just click skip to download and your Zorin OS download will begin automatically. Next, you'll need a tool to create a bootable USB for Zorin OS. For that, we will download Rufus tool from its official website. Once both files are downloaded, run the Rufus application and plug your USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. This is Rufus application interface. Now first we will click the select button and choose the Zorin OS ISO file you downloaded earlier. Keep all the default settings as they are, then click start. You may see a few confirmation pop-ups. Just click OK to continue. Make sure your USB drive doesn't contain any important data, because this process will erase everything on it to create the bootable Zorin OS installer. Now, wait patiently while Rufus creates the bootable USB. It may take a few minutes, so just let it complete the process. Once Rufus finishes creating the bootable USB, go ahead and close the application and safely remove your USB drive. Before you boot into Zorin OS, there's one important step you should take. Make sure Secure Boot is turned off in your BIOS or UEFI settings. Some systems block Linux installers when Secure Boot is enabled, so disabling it first helps avoid installation issues. In my case, Secure Boot is already disabled, so I can move straight to the USB boot process. Insert the USB drive into the computer where you want to install Zorin OS and restart it. As the system powers on, press the boot menu key, which is often F12, F9, or escape depending on your computer model. From the boot menu, choose your USB drive and press enter. Zorin OS will now load a menu with a few different options. The one most users should select is Try and install Zorin OS, which allows you to test the system and install it using the standard drivers. Once Zorin OS finishes loading, you'll see the installation window. You'll be presented with two options. The first is Try Zorin OS, which lets you run the operating system directly from your USB drive without installing it. This is great if you just want to explore the interface or check hardware compatibility before making any changes to your system. The first step is to choose your language. Simply pick the one you prefer, then select the second option, Install Zorin OS, to move forward. Then next, select your keyboard layout language and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked whether you want to install updates and third-party software. It's generally a good idea to enable both for the best experience, but if you're on a slow or limited internet connection, you can skip the updates for now and install them later once the system is fully set up. You'll then see installation options. If you want to install Zorin alongside Windows, then choose the first option. But in this tutorial, we're focusing on installing Zorin OS as the only operating system. So I will select the second option, Erase Disk, and install Zorin OS. Zorin's installer will automatically create the required partitions for you. This is where Zorin OS will be installed. Your system files, applications, and personal data will all live here. Everything is handled for you automatically, so you don't need to manually change anything unless you're an advanced user. After that, choose your time zone. Create your username and password and click Continue. Zorin OS will begin copying files, which usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes depending on your hardware. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and click Restart Now and remove your USB drive. Your computer will reboot, and once it restarts, you'll see the login screen. Enter the password you created during the installation, and Zorin OS 18 will load up for the very first time. You'll be greeted with the welcome screen where you can choose your appearance style, connect your online accounts, and check for updates. Feel free to explore these options and customize your system however you like. And that's it. You've successfully installed Zorin OS 18 from start to finish. I hope this tutorial made the process simple and easy for you. If it helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Linux and Windows setup and customization videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.